Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so happy you decided to join me today for a healthy drink. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button. Join the family. Let's get healthy together. So for this drink of today, we'll be using pineapples, mangoes, oranges and bananas to achieve a very healthy breakfast. I say breakfast because it's advisable to have this juice in the morning so that it sets a very energetic tone for your day. And to begin, we'll be cleaning our pineapples. I usually like to wash my pineapples before I clean them, but you can go ahead to clean it directly. There is no rule as to how it must be done, but this is my preference. So let's clean the pineapple and then we'll come back with the oranges. Pineapples are so good for your system. They do help you a lot with cleansing, especially for women when we are going through that time of the month, if you know what I mean. Pineapple is your friend, so try to have a lot of pineapples, especially at that time of the month. It's good for inflammation, to reduce inflammations, just generally cleanses your system. It's full of so many vitamins and nutrients. So pineapple is your friend. Just have more pineapples throughout the month and you will see your skin glow. You will see your mind getting sharpened. In fact, it's so good for your overall health. So I'll encourage you to have pineapples regularly. Next is the oranges. Like I said, it's always good to wash your fruits before you start prepping them. So here we already washed our oranges, so we're just going to cut them into two, and we'll be using a manual juicer to extract the juice from the orange. I'm not having an automatic juicer for now, but that will come in the future. But for now, we'll be using the manual juicer to extract the juice. Oranges are also very good for your system. So this juice is really a very healthy combination because you have oranges which are amazing in vitamin C and which help for glowing skin, which help to sharpen your brain. It also boosts your immune system. It helps you with antioxidants. So it's so packed with so many nutrients. Oranges are your best friends, just like pineapples. So a mixture of these two power fruits is something that you should always want to have in your arsenal. And it's always good to take this kind of fruit at least once or twice a week. It will really boost your energy, boost your health, boost your skin, and it's also very tasty. So you'll be having so many benefits in one. So next we have to prep our mangoes. For this you have to wash the mangoes, cut it so that it's easy to remove the flesh from the skin. So you use a spoon to remove the flesh from the skin. Anyway, that's how I do it. If you have a better way of doing it, please let me know in the comment section so that we all learn and we have a better way of doing our things. So just watch and see how I do it. And last but not least, we have our bananas. So to prep it, again we have to wash it and then just peel the skin and slice it for blending. So friends, all our fruits are ready. This is our pineapple, all prepped, cut and ready to be blended. You have our bananas, all prepped again, ready to enter the blender. Our mangoes, all cleaned and ready, and our oranges, all pressed, and the juice is ready to make us have an excellent beverage for the morning. Guys, this is very filling. Like once you drink this, you don't need to eat again till like lunchtime. I'm telling you. Anyways, when I drink this, I don't eat till lunch. It's so filling, especially because the banana gives you like that heaviness, that sense of satisfaction. You don't feel hungry again till like lunch. So it's very good, and you feel energetic throughout the day. So it's very good to have it in the mornings. So just go ahead and add the fruits into the blender. So we add the pineapples, the mangoes, the bananas, and the orange juice into the blender. If you want it to have a lighter consistency, just add water. Okay, it's fine. Just add some water into it and let it be a little bit more liquid, because it's going to be a little bit thick. Okay, if you want it light, then just add some water. It's fine. And that's it. Then you blend until you get the consistency that you love, and then your juice is ready to be drunk, and you just enjoy and have a great time. Guys, if you keep making this kind of juice, your friends are going to ask you how you get these recipes. In fact, you'll be sought after. So, and your family is also going to enjoy it. If you have a kid who is picky with food, who doesn't enjoy like heavy breakfast, this particular juice, if the child is able to drink this, and they would love it because it's sweet, it has the banana, gives it a very nice taste. This juice alone, if a child is able to drink a cup of it, trust me, that child is full. Like it's good. Okay, a child is good to go. Yeah, especially also for children who are going to school, give them this in the morning for breakfast. And you can add other things, but if they don't eat, even if they don't eat anything else, and they have this one glass of this, they are good to go. Yes, so enjoy and have your family enjoy this as well. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe and like the video. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.